When I get myself together.
I'm doing what I want. Hope you knew what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
I'm doing what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you knew what you want.
What grade is that?
Actually, I can tell you the truth. Different company have different grades for the hair. So actually, because there's no any minutes for the grade. Yes. So what you kill is what you get. Yes.
Maybe in the meantime,
I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you knew what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive. So y'all, I messed up with coming to China with no type of product. I think I said this plenty of times. Bitch ain't done her baby hairs. It is Tuesday. I have today and tomorrow, and then I leave Thursday morning around 11 o'clock. I'ma leave. Today I'm going to go shopping. I'm gonna go to this market. I need to buy a new suitcase too, because that man say fly out of the country, we ain't got no bags, but we fly back and we got bags. Yeah. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. What is you doing, girl? You know you should have been following me. Essential.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You fucking warm with my heart, just think it would be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but if we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what I've done. We used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You said you warm with my heart, didn't think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but can we no longer tell me now? Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me.
take a kid who plays video games in their bedroom, you're gonna strap them to a 200-mile-an-hour rocket. You're out of your mind.
Bro, I can feel it shaking. Ain't no way. It's more stuff. 6 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They got a rainforest. They got an aquarium. Where the aquarium at? On the 2nd floor. Okay, so I am going to go on this boat ride and abuse the city of Guangzhou. And they say it's really nice. So, and it's a boat ride. Like, let's get ready though. I know I look like grandma right now, but this is really cute. That's ugly. I want to do my hair like this, but I was this giving masculine. This giving Lancy. Let me tell y'all, I'm ghetto and I'm fancy. I don't care what it look like. This girl told me, she said, it better be good quality for $300. Bitch, I'm in China. Say hi.
I just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Okay, y'all, today I'm leaving China. I'm leaving. I'm finna go back to the hood. The trenches. This was like, it was just me by myself in a whole nother country. I will do anything by myself and I enjoyed it.